Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix don't stop together game freezing, lagging, stuttering on iOS devices such as iPhone and iPad. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First solution, restart or reboot your phone. So long press either volume key and side key until you see the power off slider. Drag the slider, your device will turn off in 30 seconds. Now press and hold side button until the Apple logo appears. Your device will now turn on, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to check for don't start together app update. So open App Store, search for don't start together app and then tap on it. Then tap on update option if available, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check don't start together game is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop or force close the don't start together app. So on the home screen, swipe up from the bottom and stop in the middle of the screen. Look for don't start together app by swiping right or left. Then finally swipe up to close the app and then relaunch the game and check. Solution 5 is to clear don't start together app caching. So navigate to settings, general iPhone storage, look for don't start together app and then tap on it and then tap on offload app and then tap on reinstall app and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to update your device. On iPhone, go to settings, general software update, and if any update is available, then download and install it. And after updating the software, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 7 is to connect to VPN. So open App Store and search for VPN, and you can install any VPN of your choice from the App Store such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfa VPN or any other VPN. Then launch the VPN app and then select different location, and then you can go ahead, launch the don't start together game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Solution 8, reinstall don't start together app. So simply from the app library, tap and hold the don't start together app. Now click on delete app and then delete, confirm. Then restart your device, and once your device restart, open App Store, search for don't start together app and then tap on the install or get button to install it. And once the game get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then check for the don't start together app server status. It could be possible that the don't start together app server is down, having outages, under maintenance or offline. So in such scenario, wait for some time and then try to open don't start together app again later and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve don't start together game freezing, lagging or stuttering problem on iOS devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.